Most people type around 40 words per minute on a keyboard, while Flow users speak at 100 to 120 words per minute. That makes voice input up to 3 times faster and significantly more productive. That's why using software like Wispr Flow makes a real difference. This tutorial shows how to use Flow step by step. By following each step, voice typing becomes fast, accurate, and effortless, with tips for editing, punctuation, and tone included along the way. So let's get started. Before starting dictation, proper installation and configuration are essential. This section focuses on understanding the interface, setting up the microphone correctly, choosing the right language, and enabling advanced features that improve accuracy and workflow, especially for developers and technical users. The interface will be visible and is similar to ChatGPT, providing a clear layout for dictation and settings. At first glance, the interface is designed to be minimal and distraction-free. The main area is used for interaction, while essential controls are placed logically so they are easy to find. This layout helps new users understand the tool quickly without spending time searching for options. You will find the Settings menu in the bottom left of the app, and after pressing the Settings menu, several customization options are available. Shortcuts for activating dictation can be changed to match individual workflow preferences. The microphone input can be selected and adjusted for best accuracy. Most importantly, the language can be set to your preference. Selecting the correct microphone is especially important if multiple audio devices are connected. Using a headset microphone or a dedicated external mic often improves recognition accuracy. Choosing the correct language ensures that pronunciation, accents, and sentence structure are interpreted correctly during dictation. In addition to these basic settings, there are advanced features. Vibe coding enables variable recognition in code editors such as VS Code, making Flow better at understanding variables. File tagging allows automatic tagging of files in supported IDEs, helping to organize files like index.tsx directly in the chat interface. These buttons can be customized or toggled on or off according to personal preferences. These advanced features are particularly useful for developers and technical writers. Variable recognition helps prevent errors when dictating code-related content, while file tagging improves context awareness inside supported development environments. Once setup is complete, the next step is learning how to activate dictation quickly and efficiently. The shortcut system allows voice input to be used anywhere without opening additional windows. Flow uses a keyboard shortcut to activate listening mode. On Windows, Control+Win, and on iOS or Mac, hold Control plus Command together. It's default key binding. You can make your own key binding by following step 1. While holding these keys, speak naturally. Release the keys when finished, and the transcribed text will appear wherever the cursor is located. This press and hold behavior gives full control over when Flow listens. It prevents accidental dictation and ensures that only intentional speech is converted into text. Releasing the keys signals Flow to stop listening and immediately insert the text. This method works in almost all applications, including text editors, documents, emails, and chat apps. Because Flow works at the system level, it integrates seamlessly into daily workflows without requiring app switching or copying text manually. Before using Flow for long writing sessions, basic dictation practice helps build comfort and accuracy. Starting with simple sentences allows users to understand how Flow interprets speech. Place the cursor in a text field, press and hold Control+Win on Windows and Control+Command on iOS or Mac. Speak clearly. For example, today, Flow is being tested for dictation speed and accuracy. Release the keys. Observe how the text appears immediately, properly structured and punctuated. This immediate feedback helps reinforce correct speaking pace and clarity. Seeing clean text appear instantly builds confidence in voice-based writing. At this stage, speaking at a steady pace improves recognition. Pausing slightly at the end of sentences allows Flow to insert proper punctuation automatically. Natural speech patterns usually produce the best results. Overthinking pronunciation or speaking unnaturally can reduce accuracy. Formatting plays a major role in readability, especially for longer documents. Flow is designed to handle most punctuation automatically based on natural speech patterns. Flow interprets natural pauses to add punctuation, so it is not necessary to say period or comma in most cases. This allows speech to remain fluid and conversational, instead of robotic or overly structured. For precise formatting, say commands like new line or new paragraph. Pausing briefly between thoughts creates clean paragraph breaks. This is particularly useful when drafting emails, essays, or reports. Using these commands helps structure content clearly without interrupting the writing flow. Editing is a critical part of writing, and Flow allows this to be done entirely with voice, reducing the need to return to the keyboard. Flow allows editing without the keyboard. Commands include delete last sentence, remove that, or replace that with. This feature is useful for correcting mistakes, refining wording, or adjusting structure in real time. This approach makes revisions faster and keeps attention focused on content rather than controls. Tone plays an important role in communication. Flow makes it possible to adjust tone after speaking naturally. Spoken text can be converted to different tones. For instance, a casual sentence like, "Hey, just check to see if you saw the message," can be adjusted by saying, "Make this sound professional." The result will read, "I wanted to follow up to confirm whether you received the message." Speaking freely first and refining tone afterwards saves time and maintains a natural workflow. This feature is especially useful for emails, professional communication, and content creation. Understanding common issues helps improve accuracy and efficiency. Speaking too fast or mumbling can reduce accuracy. Holding the shortcut longer than necessary may produce extra text. Expecting perfect results without clear speech can lead to additional edits. To avoid these issues, speak clearly, pause naturally between sentences, and apply edits immediately using voice commands. Consistent practice improves performance over time. Once comfortable, Flow can replace typing for most daily writing tasks. Emails, reports, chat messages, notes, and even social media captions can be dictated. Editing and tone conversion occur in real time, maintaining workflow without slowing down. This allows ideas to be captured quickly without losing momentum. Using Flow consistently allows ideas to be captured immediately, reducing the time spent typing and revising text. Over time, this leads to noticeable productivity gains. That's all the tips for using Wispr Flow. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If there are any other tips or tricks, share them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content like this.